Hello guys, Lot Marquez, Delta Whiskey 1 Hirap. So meron na naman tayong project, and this time it's ESP32 module plus an MT8870 module. Ayan, dito sa Amazon. So ang trabaho dito is later I'm gonna add some relays to control yung aming dalawang repeater dito sa California. We have one in Santiago Peak and another on Mount Lukens. So right now ang problema ko is nagda-down yung ASL at wala kaming way to control it, turn it back on. Kaya ito ang aming fix. Actually, we can also use this sa aming project sa WinLink, mga WinLink gateways natin sa Pilipinas, yung nasa Mount Mataba, and if ever we get lucky sa Mount Arayat or sa Santo Tomas. So, okay. So, with the help of AI, nowadays, madali na makagawa nitong mga ganitong project. So with this, the hardware and the web-based controls. So bali, makita nyo rito, I have 3 buttons. One to press the mini PC momentarily, tapos radio on and off, tapos yung Arden modem namin do sa bundok. So para ang aming connection is on the 10.xxx IP. So how can I show this? So ngayon wala pa akong wala pa akong what you call this, relays. So bumili na ako, wala pa, di pa nadating pero I monitor it on my multimeter. So let's say I'm going to click on dito sa web-based radio on. So radio on, i-click ko yan, then I'll show you here. Tingnan nyo yung multimeter, yung DC reading. See, naging 3.3. I'm gonna click again, and by the way here you'll see naka radio on na yung web-based ko na control. I'm gonna turn this off and show you the voltage reading. Yan, in-off ko na, and naging 0.6 milliwatt. See? And so you might ask, bakit meron pang MT8870 modem, itong module, and it's for DTMF control. So kung titingnan nyo dito, let's say I wanna, mahirap itong isa lang ang aking hawak. So transmit to, so see, nakita nyo, and then yung isa, if you wanna turn it on, see? So yung button, nagsisync yan dito sa sa controls ng DTMF, tsaka yung changes you do here on your web-based control. Tapos yung press mini PC naman, if you wanna turn that on, nakikita nyo naman dito. Let me see, I'm gonna change this, yung ating oops, sorry, I'm gonna monitor yung ating lagay lang dito yung white cable. So I'm gonna click on the press mini PC. So if you wanna turn it on, just in case, say ito momentarily na mag switch on and off. So check out nag-click ako, then nakita nyo yung nag-blue na LED, and also here I'm gonna click and see, suddenly it changed to 3.20 something volts. Momentarily lang mag-switch. Ayan, I click again, see? So back here, I wanna turn off yung radio natin, yung nasa gitna. So I'm gonna change this para lang makita ninyo. Lagay ko ulit sa gitna, or lagay ko sa number 3 naman, dun sa Arden. Yun. So sa Arden, nalalayo ata itong aking. So sa Arden, since ito nyo yung Arden, di ba, naiwan natin ng on. I'm gonna turn that off now. So with the again DTMF, yun, nag-red na. Arden modem off. Tapos syempre dito, you check the voltage. Mababa na ulit, 11.3 milliwatt. Millivolts. Now I'm gonna turn that on again. Tingnan nyo dito. Then it changed to 3.32. Nagsisync yan again on the web control ng mga buttons. Tapos ito naman sa baba, it's for site B sa Mount Lukens. So and here's the module. Ito, hindi ko lang nalagyan pa ng power, but both is working, so okay na siya. So madali lang guys. Kung meron kayong mga project like this na you wanna control, and by the way, itong control ng MT8870 module, natin nyo ito, meron akong wire, cable, papunta yun dito sa aking radio, so sa likod. So nasa 14503 ako test. Okay, so if you wanna do this, madali lang. Yung itong mga module na to available sa Shopee, sa Lazada, sa Amazon. And the thing that's gonna help you is yung AI. So just ask the AI to create you a code for it. Then of course you have to work with the AI para ma-fix nyo yung mga problema. Kasi along the way, bago nyo matapos, minsan nalilito yung yung AI. So you have to tell them them. You tell AI to make stop whatever it's doing, and then tell it to do what you want that thing to do for you. Hindi yung papabayaan mo lang siya. Kaya pinabayaan siya, nalilito. So baka hindi pa masyado magaling si AI. Needs your guidance. So that's the project guys. Pasensya na, medyo natagalan to. Hopefully I can show you pag natapos na. Nakalagay na sa enclosure and everything is working. Okay, so that's it. Delta Whiskey 1 IRF. Maraming salamat.